Meantime, as shares of AMC rise amid the retail trading boom, the company's CEO seeing his wealth grow. Robert Frank joins us with more on that. Robert.
Good morning, Andrew. Adam Aron praising his new AMC army of retail investors on Twitter yesterday, saying he's going to, quote, grow your company. That army also has helped grow his fortune. Aron has about 4.2 million shares either owned or granted. Those shares are worth about $8 million at the start of this year. They're now worth more than $130 million as of last night's close. So his total gains during what we could call his Reddit rally now total $120 million. Those shares up over 1,400% this year. Aron hasn't sold any shares. In March, he did give shares now valued at over $15 million to his two sons. But other executives of the company have been selling, cashing out of almost $4 million in shares since March. The top seller, according to SEC filings, is their chief content officer. She sold more than $1 million of shares back in March. The general counsel selling just under $1 million in March, and the CFO cashing out more than $400,000 worth back in April. AMC did not respond for a request for comment on the sales. Now, guys, if this pre-market price now, which is up, I don't know, another 23% holds, Adam Aron would add another $30 million or so overnight. So we'll see where this crosses today. But again, he has done a great job, Andrew, as you mentioned, managing this new shareholder base and benefiting from it.
But can we, I just want to have an honest moment here. He's not selling the shares. And if he doesn't sell the shares, he's not really making the money. And if you were to sell the shares today, given the kind of message that he's trying to put forth to all of these shareholders about the growth opportunity ahead, which he needs because eventually he needs to sell more shares, not necessarily for himself, but for the company, literally to be able to pay down the debt, is he really going to get wealthy?
Well, we'll see how long this lasts. You're absolutely right. He hasn't sold shares. These are all paper gains, so we'll see where it lasts. But some members of the company have sold.
Right.
And, you know, again, this is now kind of management by meme, and his compensation is tied to the stock price, which is now tied to this whole sort of social media phenomena, and he's seizing the moment.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.